I'm back again. Oh, Prime History Run. Okay, this is gonna be a pretty good chance now that it's no longer Friday the 13th, man. It's Friday the 20th. We don't want Friday the 13th. Ah! Well, that was gonna be a duplicate Foster guy anyway. I didn't want that. Watch, we're gonna get something good. Maybe a special or two. Come on, come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, that's not the special I wanted, but at least we got a special. I wanted a special Monarch shard or something, not Meteor. I got him in 2023, for God's sake. I didn't really get him. Yeah, I'm not keeping my videos for kids anymore, man. Kids are discriminated from my videos, man. They can't watch it anymore. Because I'm way older, man. I'm way older. And I don't need to have kids watching my videos, man. It's unacceptable. I don't care about Masters of the Universe. Alright. Oh no, that's actually quite a short video. I don't want that. I don't want it to be that short, guys. Oh. Oh, come on, man. We actually got deals, man. Alright, to keep the video going, I'm gonna... Right, I know this is not related to the actual video, but... You know, I'm quite frankly gonna add it in the title. Quite frankly. I mean... I don't know why people say that. Why do people say quite frankly, hey? That makes no sense. Right, paper cars. I'm so sorry about this, guys. It's so laggy. It's so laggy, man. Right, I'm not going to do the actual game. Wait, bro, I already unlocked Tails. Wait, how do I... I'm not going to question it. No, stop it. Stop showing me my level again. Right, I'm just going to get to 100,000 and then... No, this is not my original account. I do know that. Oh, God's sake. Funny enough, I spilled ice cream down my phone tonight. Pretty crazy story, I know. Nobody needs to know that, but it was very sticky and I didn't like it. Don't get me wrong, I actually didn't mean to do that, but... Please don't charge this as clickbait, because this is gonna be related to the video, because I'm gonna make it relate to the video. Oh my god. No. I'm not gonna twist my iPad screen, man, because I'm recording a video. Yes, I am selected as the character Tails. That's just who I want to be, man. I want to see my score, that's it. Right, once I get to about 50,000, I'm going to stop there because, you know. Okay, stop it now. Stop. Don't revive me, man. Don't revive me, man. I'm going to kill myself, man. Not in real life, though. In the game. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Disgusting kids app. I don't want this video charges for kids. That's why I'm not showing you that advert. Okay, thank you. I will claim that prize. I'm not charging this video as for kids, alright? Right, I'll see you all later. Because there's some swear words like God or something. Alright. See y'all, mate. Later, man.